Okay, today we are having Madhu, her in that Fool or Kante. One more South Indian film, which
Yes.
is, what is that film? I'm forgetting.
It's called Chinna Chinna Asai, taken from my title song from Roja. Chinna Chinna Asai, Sirigadikum Asai. Going viral for, Ajay was a good co-actor was a fun guy to work with. But going viral that she slapped Nana, Nana slapped her.
It was on reel, not real. Okay, today we are having Madhu, icon in the film industry. She has dominated the South industry as well as Bollywood industry. I still remember her in that Fool or Kante. So, you would like to start saying something about your journey,
My journey?
in the film industry, and Rosa also.
Yes, but I think I'm meant to be here. That's the way I see my journey. If you see, everybody desires के आजकल किसी से भी पूछो, I want to be an actor, I want to be an actor. I also said that when I was very little. When I was 5 also I said, because I'm Hema's cousin and we were very close. I used to go to the shooting, I've seen her dance, I've seen her practice, and my mother was a very good dancer. So in my home, and she became a dance teacher. So in my home, I would see children coming to learn. So it was only dance and music. So kya banegi badi hoke? Actor banungi. It became like that. But did I work towards it? Did I know how to plan it? I actually didn't. And I just landed up in the movie industry, and that is how I consider my journey. Okay, I just land up, everywhere. So, and then, there are deep stories. कि पहले मैं रिजेक्ट हो गई थी, पहले चूज हो गई थी, फिर रिजेक्ट हो गई थी, फूल और कांटे केम, आधी फिल्म बन चुकी थी, एंड आई वाज डेस्परेट, नहीं तो मेरे पापा मेरी शादी करा देते थे, बिकॉज इट वाज हिज थिंग कि either you start working or you become a doctor or I'll get you married.
As South Indian people.
Yeah, I will not कि घर में बिठा के नहीं रखूंगा, was his thing. And I didn't want to study. I was already a graduate by then. And I didn't want to do more studies. And I was desperate कि मैं कैसे भी कोई भी काम कर लूं. So I tried to become a stenographer. I tried to become a receptionist. I tried to become an air hostess.
Oh God.
सब जगह fail हो गई. I mean, अच्छा ही हुआ, because then I landed up where I'm supposed to be.
That's the right place. You landed up in the right place.
And again I land up, because everybody knows that when I got married, actually मैंने बड़े announcement किए थे. I quit, I leave.
Yeah, I remember.
I did all that. But I landed up.
Again, yeah. But in between there was I won't call it a slackened period, but in between I think you took a conscious decision of not doing films.
Because I honestly don't know, and I still don't know how, what is multitasking. I have a lot of respect for a lot of women who are amazing mothers and who are amazing professionals. I just don't know how to be that. When I had my babies, my whole focus, और आपको पता है कि उनके हर step, हर दिन का, I have my children's, when their first tooth fell, when their first step they've taken, first haircut, first solid food, first first time they stepped out of the house and went to the temple. I have all that in video. गले में मैं उन दिनों ये नहीं था, phones नहीं थे. गले में I used to wear camera, and I would shoot everything.
So nice.
For first 10 years of their lives, I have every step of their life. जैसे जैसे वो बड़े हुए, स्कूल गए, they didn't need me so much. Then I started. So I don't know how to do everything, but I know one thing to do at one time, and I put in my heart and soul in it.
Yeah, that's that's also good, concentrating on one thing at one time.
Yeah. But women are multitasking.
Yeah.
And they can multitask. In fact, ये men का ये quality है कि वो बहुत सारी चीजें एक समय पर नहीं कर सकते. पर women है, वो फोन पे भी बात करती हैं, टीवी भी देखती हैं, और उनको ये भी पता रहता है कि किचन में क्या हो रहा है और बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं. Well, I am not like that. जब मैं टीवी देखती हूँ तो घुस के देखती हूँ, फोन पे बात करती हूँ तो I'm just saying the kind of person I am.
person you are. Okay, now talking about your recent film, which is releasing, Governor.
Yes.
It's releasing in all the three languages.
Yes.
And Manoj,
Yes.
another good actor, you are pitted opposite him.
Yes.
So, what would you like to elaborate and discuss about the character in that,
You know the thing about
You are the Jodi.
yes,
A
I'm
new
the,
Jodi is born, can I say?
I'm the Jodi. But the thing about working with good actors is that you become better, you become good.
Humble. You're being
No,
humble.
you become better because
You're excellent.
when you're running alone,
Yeah.
when you're running with somebody, then you have a benchmark.
Yes.
You learn, you compete in a healthy way.
Yeah.
You don't want कि मनोज जी scene में तो मनोज जी scene ले गए. You want, that's what happened when I was with Prabhu Deva. I always considered myself as a good dancer, and Prabhu Deva is the greatest dancer. When I was working with him, I did so many rehearsals, I did so much work that I basically didn't want people to say that Prabhu Deva was better than her in the songs. I put in, and the same feeling when I had when I used to work with Chichi Bhai, with Govinda. He was so amazing that I was my best when I danced with Govinda. So that's what I mean. When Manoj ji is standing next to me, I know I have to be better than him. So I put in my best step. It's great to work with great people.
Okay. Would you like to reveal some good incident while working with Prabhudeva and Govinda? Anything good, some relishing moments for the viewers?
Prabhudeva was something actually humiliating. I felt a little humiliating. So all my, the fighting spirit came forward because they had a choreography for one of the songs I was doing with him. And he saw
This
I was
for which film?
Mr. Romeo.
Uh-huh.
I did a film called Mr.
Mr.
Romeo.
Romeo.
Even Shilpa was in
Shilpa
it.
was.
Prabhu was in double role. So one was me and one was Shilpa. So anyway, this was a set song, stage song. And the choreography was done and I was dancing. He looked at me and he said to all the assistants, he said, do some rehearsals with her and I'll just come. And he left the set, maybe on a lunch break or something, or wherever, or went to sit inside in his room. I don't know where he went. But he left the set while I was practicing.
Really humiliating.
At that time, because I was supposed to be this good dancer and I'm on the set, and he left the set saying, let her be ready. And I said, man, I'm going to be ready for it. So, in fact, I loved it in a way. At that time, maybe I thought, acha, but it's good. I rehearsed. It's better to rehearse and be good at it and not rehearse and not be. Today, when you see the song, the comments I've always gotten for that song is,
what was the lyrics of the song?
That's the tune. Yeah, and it was very beautifully done on the sets and all that. So today, and even then, not today, even then when people saw, they said, wow, you matched step for step.
Wow.
But I only thank him because he did not get impatient to finish the song. ऐसा नहीं था कि चलो चलो, okay, it doesn't matter, it's all about me, I will dance and take it away. It's not that. He said, let her practice, let her be ready, I'll come back. So because he gave patiently those many minutes or time for me to rehearse, I rehearsed enough so I could match him. That was my experience with Prabhudeva. And talking about Chichi Bhai, I've always loved doing comedy.
Wow.
I love comedy.
This
but
was for which film?
This was Hatkadi.
Ah,
Again, double role and Shilpa and me.
Same.
So yeah, that's funny. And my role was Gaon Ki Ladki and Murgi Pakadna, and I'm a pure vegetarian. I don't touch. So I was a science student. In the science laboratory, we had to, we had to study fish and frog.
I remember by dissect karo.
Yes.
I left biology because of that.
Yes, I had to do all of that, and it used to give me that
jitters,
that feeling. And I used to 10 रुपए में वो प्यून को देती थी.
2 card.
No, he would fix the frog on the plate and give me, and he would help me and do all that shit. But so that was me. And in Hatkadi, my role was T. Rama Rao ji was the director, and my role was that I had to chase after a murgi
I
and,
remember.
and hold the murgi, and I did it. And Govinda was a riot. I loved working with him because while acting, he was like he would keep everybody laughing. I forgot. I'm in a scene. I'm doing a shot with him. I would take off from him. Like I said, when you work with good
Give and
actors,
take.
you become better. So I don't think I did that kind of a quick slapstick timing comedy with anyone, any other role. It was that film and a film called Elan, where I was with, you know, Deven Vermaji and Farida Jalal with a fantastic timing. You know, so those were my moments that I love the actors, and whatever they are good at, they help me become good at that. So anyway, even though I would love to say I love comedy, people have always appreciated me, and the movies that have become hits for me are the ones where I am
Serious and emotional. And all
emotional.
that. You have that kind of a persona.
Unfortunately, I am a laughing girl. I love to laugh. I love to make people laugh. But I got known for films like Yashwant and Roja. And even in Phulor Kante, I was crying, Gopal, mere Gopal ko lao. Even in my first film, even though the songs were romantic and it was all about romance and all that, but there was such an emotional, I was already a mother and the child gets kidnapped. You know, that's my first film.
Yeah.
And somehow I got known to do emotional scenes well, right from the beginning.
Having worked with Ajay Devgan, Govinda, all these guys, Ajay Devgan was a man of few words even then. Now he started speaking, I think. How was he with you?
Aajkal-
And was Govinda flirtatious?
No, Ajay Devgan or Govinda?
Govinda was flirtatious,
No.
and he was a man of few words.
No, Ajay was a man of few words,
Yeah.
like you correctly said.
Yeah.
But Ajay was sumdi.
हाँ, jokes मारता था और वो
Under
करेगा.
his breath.
And yes, exactly. I
He is
know.
under his breath and he will have a straight face.
Yes.
And we can all laugh. There are two teams. One is the team Ajay and one is जो victim,
Victim.
जिनको वो
Target करेंगे ना, jokingly.
jokingly. So, well, but in the first film, we did not, of course, he had his buddies because he had his fighters and, you know, all that. But I was focused. कि मुझे break मिल गया और मुझे prove करना है. That was my thing.
So what you enjoyed more working? And what about Govinda? I asked, was he flirtatious?
No, he is not flirtatious. Not
He's
with
known
me.
for that.
Yeah, he's not known for that. Is that
Yeah.
is he?
I
Nowadays,
mean,
I don't know
good
what
way,
people are
yeah.
talking. My experience, I worked with two films with him. One was Brahma and one was Hatkadi. It was purely, for me, I remember Govinda only for the comic scenes, his timing and his dance. I have had few dances with him and few light-hearted scenes which I relish even till today.
Okay, coming back to your recent films, Governor.
Yes.
And one more South Indian film,
Yes.
I mean, it's unfurling the flag you are here, but you are rocking there, down south. What is that film? I'm forgetting.
It's called Chinna Chinna Asai.
Chinna Chinna Asai.
It's taken from my title song from Roja, Chinna Chinna Asai. Sirigadikum Asai. So when this lovely lady director, she came to me, she came with the title and a story. And at that time, when she came to me, I didn't want to work because it was a December month and she wanted me in Kashi, Banaras for a whole month. And I said, December is Christmas, my children will be here. Otherwise, they study abroad. I said, wo yahan honge, I'm not going anywhere. You take someone else. She refused to take anybody else.
She waited for you.
She insisted, cried every day. वो होता है ना कि हम परेशान होके, I convinced my children. I said, this one Christmas, this one New Year, forget about me. Let me just do it with her. So I would say that she forced me to do it. I did it angrily. And today I am most grateful and proud of that film. Because this industry is all about box office. It's all about economics,
Commercials.
numbers, commercial aspects. So today I understand if there is a Netflix film or if there's, with all the streaming platform, people approach me, even with the main lead, because, the commercials are different. But when you're planning a theatre release, to still come to me and make a 2-hour film on me, for me, in the title role,
In the title role, and the South Indian audiences, the hero worship, you know,
yeah,
be it a female, this thing, or a male. And I believe they are just waiting to watch your
so
film
can you
there.
imagine how grateful I am? And ये वो भी जो मैंने मना कर करके कि नहीं करना है, नहीं करना है, नहीं, no, and then to, नहीं ma'am, please ma'am, you only have to do ma'am. Can't be more grateful than this to my director. She's a young girl. She's got this story, and she
What's her
said
name?
Varsha Vasudevan,
Oh,
and she has written this story. She said when I wrote this story, she said she had me in mind.
wow.
So she said I can't take anybody else.
Is it a female-driven concept?
Yes, but I have an equal partner male actor.
Who's he?
His name is Indrans, who is rocking it. He's been acting from 80s. He has won 2 national awards. Everybody knows of his work, but he never became a star. So when he has accepted to do this film, I also wanted to ask Varsha, who is this? Why? Then she sent me his whole. She said, check him out in the, on the net. And then I checked him out, and I said, oh my God, he's such a prolific actor. But I didn't know of him. As luck would have it, a film called Karuppu with Trisha and Surya has just released in Tamil Nadu. It is the biggest hit, and in that movie, he's earned the biggest name. So suddenly, Indran sir is become the superstar. And now we are so proud to release this film because he's like everybody wants to watch Indran sir's next movie, and it happens to be with me.
So you'll elaborate a little bit about your role in that? Of course, it's the lead role, but what is that turning point that the audiences should come and watch the film, especially for Madhu?
Yes, because our industry, I hate to say it, I wouldn't like, I don't complain about life. मैं कभी नहीं कहूँगी ओ मैं फीमेल हूँ तो मुझे बेटर बेनिफिट्स नहीं मिले. आई एम नॉट दैट पर्सन. आई एक्सेप्ट लाइफ एज इज. ओके, so I don't like to complain about ageism, sexism, no isms for me. But having said that, the mindset and the concept in everybody's mind is that romance is for young people.
Oh no, you can fall in love at
In
any
Indian
age.
cinema,
in
you
Indian
only
cinema.
have young couple, of course now lot of filmmakers and lot of films are breaking those barriers. And I think it's mostly done for platforms, streaming platforms, where they can explore everything. This is for theatre.
Wow.
Old couple. Indran sir, who is in his 60s, I would imagine, and me are playing a subtle romantic film. That is new because these people, they've spent their money on older people and to show love and romance. And I'm so grateful, and they are so courageous. That is one thing. Second of all, every romance is not about song and dance. And every romance is not just in the face. It is about the heart and soul, the human connection. So this film explores that.
Wow, interesting.
And it is, I'll tell you what, there's a Tamil speaking woman, there's a Malayalam speaking male hero who find themselves in Kashi, Banaras, where everybody else is speaking Hindi. It's North India. And the movie is I'm not speaking Malayalam, and he doesn't speak Tamil. And we speak in real people, real actors who speak Hindi.
Okay.
So it's an Indian cinema in the real sense. It's a pan-India cinema in a real sense. It's not dubbed. It's everybody speaking the language that they've spoken on screen.
Wow, that's good. You were talking about, how the cinema, they try to portray sexism, and they try to portray certain things, especially, feminism and all that kind of thing. Of late, Janvi's film, I mean, South is known for showing naval thing.
I don't want to comment anything. वो कुछ और बन के आ जाएगा. मैं नहीं कहूँगी.
South is known for showing, sexism, and especially this one is it's trending. So you must say something because Asha ji also spoke, Asha Parekh ji and few other actors also spoke about it.
Sorry, what did Asha ji say? I'm not aware.
I don't remember.
Okay.
So what is your view like, on this? Because South is known for showing, navel and these kind of steps.
So I'll tell you what is now becoming a controversial subject or a topic was not controversial even when we worked.
Yeah.
When I worked in South films and they would throw apples at my navel
Mhm.
in the dance step. You've seen Shriji
Yes.
doing
Sri Devi also.
dancing, and people are focusing on the navel,
Yeah.
or those exaggerated
Yeah.
lip movement and all that. It was not a controversial thing at that time because it seemed that that is what was required for the audience. So audience looked at it and enjoyed it, clapped
This
for
is
it.
just erupted recently,
So
I
now
think.
what I feel is our society is changing, our conversations are changing,
Mm-hmm.
our position of women in our society is changing. What was like just went under the carpet is not under the carpet now.
Anyway.
Now the conversation is that you are objectifying women. Why the camera is on the navel, all that. So a lot of conversations are coming up, and so the people involved will resolve it in the correct artistic manner. What was once seen as art, what was once seen as something that happened in every dance,
Hmm.
is now what was once done by a vamp. And they
It's
all
done
said
by the
only
lead,
bad
yeah.
girls
Bad
do
girls
that.
do that.
In movies also,
Yes, I
bad
remember
girls did that.
Bindu and all.
You know,
Helen,
all
Bindu
those
and all
things are
that.
now changing, right? Now we are looking at women as women. Heroines are doing the same kind of dances, and vice versa. So it's not the movie, it's our society. The place of women in our society is changing. Women have got a voice now. That is why the conversation that why I'm being paid less for the same number of hours, which was never a conversation even back then. Our superstar women, even if the movies worked on our superstar women,
Women, I
it was the
remember.
men who were still paid more.
Yes, pay parity has always been there.
Yeah.
What would you
But
like
no women question that.
Now they are all questioning.
Yeah. So the voice of women have changed. We, the women, have become powerful, and therefore, it doesn't go unnoticed. The naval shots are not going unnoticed. So and therefore, even men are now there are movies I'm watching where men are now
Yes,
um,
bearing it out.
bearing it out. So it's not the movies; it's a society is changing,
Yeah.
and if the makers are not aware of it, then yes, sab hote.
Or,
I saw the director apologize somewhere. I
yeah,
read.
that is because Janvi has written that she had already pointed out that she doesn't want to do that. It came out through some fan. I don't know, it was deliberately planned or whatever. But then the director came forward and then he apologized.
Yeah.
Things like that. Anyway, so Governor के बारे में भी बोल दो because that's your recent film.
Yeah, I'm very proud to be a part of Governor. The common thing between Governor and Chinna Chinna Ase is both the movies are movies that I refuse to do
Oh God.
in the first instance. I had said no. The reason I had first said no to Governor was because the number of days they wanted of mine in this film was only 5 days.
Oh.
And I had this thing that अगर 5 दिन का role है तो क्या role होगा? Why should I do that? That was my thought. So the first feeling of mine was, I don't think I should be a part of this film because what am I doing in this film? Then Mukesh ji himself called me. Because first when I heard the story, Chinmay ji called me and explained the story and all. I had doubts and I said maybe I should not do because they only need me for 5 days. Then Mukesh ji called and said, please तुम ये मेरे लिए कर लो. You will not regret it. And he said it's a fantastic film, fantastic setup. और इस फिल्म में आपका रोल बहुत important है. Then he highlighted what is the importance of my character, even if it is a short one. In this, because this whole thing is based on the economic
crisis.
Of the 19th. So it's all about
Especially about the gold thing coming at the right time.
Yes, yes. So you see, the thing is, it was all about how this governor deals. So it's a lot of government people, politicians, policy makers. The movie is all done like that, yeah. तो मैं उनकी wife बनी हूँ, मेरा क्या होगा? But then they explain that how he gets inspired by the husband and wife conversation. He deals with a major crisis. I don't know if I'm supposed to say all that. But the thing is, it's a very important role. And second most important thing I would like to say is I saw Chinmay ji's other film with Manoj Bajpayee, Inspector Jhende.
Jhende, very nice film.
And of course, Manoj ji is a brilliant actor and completely alag from the governor he was as Inspector Jhende. But what I loved in that film was the tender, romantic husband and wife relationship between Inspector and his wife in that film. तो मैंने चिन्मय जी को फोन करके कहा भी था कि इट्स सो रोमांटिक, इट्स सो स्वीट, इट्स सो टेंडर. आई लव द वे यू पोर्ट्रेड द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन Manoj ji and the wife. And that is what I loved even in Roja.
Wow.
Roja was all about terrorism and ye wo fighting. But what people remember is those tender moments of the husband and wife, right? So even in a movie where there is war, where there is terrorism, where there is economic crisis,
Romance and love supersedes.
it doesn't go unnoticed.
Unnoticed.
And when I saw Chinmay ji, that movie, it was so beautifully done with in the other film. I knew that I'm in the good hands. And of course, I went on the set and I stood before Manoj ji and I said, "Thank God, Mukesh ji convinced me. Thank God, मैंने ना बोल के इस movie से अपने आप को अलग नहीं कर लिया. Thank God for it that I'm in this film because I just love being part.
Okay, guys, the films that Madhu has refused doing recently, but she did it. Thank God she's done it, because these are the films which are literally going to rock. One, Chinmay is already rocking, and even Governor. Do you think this is an agenda film, Governor?
नहीं. It's a story. It's
Because
a
it has got
inspired.
those economic gold and all that
हाँ,
kind of stuff.
it's a real life inspired story. Sometimes you need to talk about the unsung heroes. We all always talk about very popular situations. People who've made those big impacts. We talk about Nehru ji, we talk about Gandhi ji, we talk about XYZ. We don't talk about, many stories are not made on unsung heroes. So the governor who saved India at that point, in that situation, this is a story made on a very normal आम आदमी जो रोज काम पे जाता है, bureaucrat who made a big difference.
Right.
He is not a leader. He's just a bureaucrat who has made a difference to our country. And this is a story. Sometimes
Very important story.
Greatness happens sometimes in a very small manner. And it's just a light thrown on such a character. कि ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं जो हर बार मशाल लेके नहीं जाते, but silently office जाके, people,
they serve their purpose.
Yes.
The aim is solved.
Yes.
That's so nice about it. Let me ask Madhu, all her stories are getting viral today. One is about Nana Patekar, the other one is with Ajay Devgan, and one very cute story about Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer wala story, I loved.
What do you say about that being viral for all these stories? How content, or you regret?
No. Being happy for the Ranveer story, I'm very happy. Because it only says that he's so great.
He is.
And I just loved him.
Yes.
And I love his journey. And I want to work with him. Going viral for that, great. Going viral for, Ajay was a good co-actor, was a fun guy to work with in Dil Jale, is a normal story. But going viral that she slapped Nana slapped her. No, it's not like that. It was a scene.
It was on reel, not real.
Yes, and it was on reel. It was a scene between those characters. And we, for me, it was a great experience because हम लोग glycerin डाल के रोना शुरू कर देते हैं. But he taught me how to really feel. So in that, he gave me one or two jhapad and I really felt, so I gave him back. It was just
reflex action.
So thank you so much. It was a reflex action. No plotted anger, no revenge. It was a reflex action.
Newton's law, every action has an opposite and equal reaction.
And like he said sorry to me after the shot, sorry, I also said sorry, Nana ji, I don't think I meant it. So it was really actors acting and getting lost in the scene. It was, मैं उस चीज के लिए viral हो गई, मैं देख रही हूँ, she slapped him, he slapped her. नहीं रे बाबा.
You'll get a call from Nana.
No, I think he's very mature. He knows.
He's very cute. I remember we used to go to the set, आता काय तू मराठीमध्ये सांग, मी तुला उत्तर देणार, नाहीतर तू चहा घे आणि जा. That time I didn't know.
या बट मी पण मराठी बोलणार बोलायला प्रॅक्टिस करते.
Anything else on party note you would like to send a message to your fans and viewers and all that?
All
And
I
your future film, you have something in pipeline.
Yeah.
If you would like to elaborate a little.
Yeah, all I want to say is that I'm in a very happy place and I have only love received from people and the media and everybody wherever I go, whether I have done a lot of work or less work, I'm appreciated and liked. And I'm extremely grateful for that. Having said that, right now in the month of June, मेरी 2 फिल्में रिलीज हो रही हैं. I pray to God and to all of you कि you show me उतना ही प्यार. And I've got 2 more films coming. Maybe this, not films, shows.
Shows.
Maybe this year itself.
On
Because,
OTT.
yes, Netflix has already announced it. It's with Anil Kapoor and all of them. It's an ensemble cast. Vijay Verma, Anil Kapoor, Riya Chakraborty. It's called Family Business and it's directed by Hansal Mehta.
Oh, another good director.
Yes. So that's like I enjoyed working with Manoj ji. Anil ji is another cup of tea, amazing energy. And then I've done an Amazon show. It is Chiranjeevi Garu's daughter Sushmita's home production. I'm working with Prakash Raj.
Oh,
And he's, so that's
Brilliant
another.
actor.
Yeah, brilliant.
very outspoken actor.
Yeah, outspoken, yes. So you see who I'm working with: Prakash Raj, Anil Kapoor, Manoj Bajpayee, Indran sir. How blessed am I?
Very blessed. We won't call it a second inning. It's a never-ending inning for Madhu.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
So all the best, Madhu, for all the innings that you are here. God bless you.
You were amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.